Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is our rooster that we have, guys. Isn't he so big? He's a big boy. He is. Yep. And here are our other chickens, our hens. So you have one rooster and 9 hens, and right now they have there's eggs in here. There's eggs in here.
I know ain't no more eggs.
There is eggs in here.
I just took them.
There's 3.
No, I didn't take no eggs out. No, there can be those from earlier.
Oh, okay. See guys, there's eggs. They have got some eggs in here.
And when they get in the dirt,
See, he's eating.
they keep the what?
They're eating the
Oh my
corn.
goodness, Zanaya, come and video this. I think they're still cute.
These are the babies. Hey, babies. Oh, you scared them. She's moving it. I don't know why she's moving it.
I'm in the sun. I'm gonna put some crippling down here. It's more space.
Okay. So they got water over there, water over here, and water over here. The chickens are hydrated and they have food, this big thing of food. They got a long thing of food there, and that's food over there too. So there's plenty and they're good. So
I'm trying to find a spot. And they take this pile of hay every day, and we put a pile of hay and they scoot it out to the ground.
yeah,
Every single day. Maybe I should put that water right here. This one right here.
but this is a little
Like
short video of the
right
chickens.
here.
The big chickens and the little ones. Sleepy chickens. Sleepy. I'm gonna have to get a cover for it. Okay.
They don't care where you put it at, long as